Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and this video only pertains to CorelDraw 2021 and the new page docker. I started kind of playing around with it, and it's pretty cool. I do not work with pages. I've got 10 pages drawn that I just made funny objects on. But if you go to Windows Dockers, I can see how this would be very helpful, and go to pages, and there's your pages. But we can look at them in multiple page at one time, and you can go right here. You can change. Right now they're going up and down. We can go side by side. We can do a lot with this. We can look at them all at the same time. You could actually put them in blocks. We can go right here to put them in columns of let's say 4 at a time. And then you've got them all kind of where you could actually more readily see them if you were really working for something. And then you can move them around. If you were doing some work with a particular, like I drew some rectangles, you can go right here and go to custom. And then you would say, click on that page right there, and it comes up with a blue handle. And then you could move all your rectangle shapes to one spot. You could move all your polygon or star sizes to another spot. There's another rectangle and two ellipses, so you have to click on the page, the blue, turn it blue to get that handle, and now you've kind of got them in some sort of order that you could do more with them. Now, like I said, I don't work with pages very often, but if I was going to and wanted to move things around, and a lot of people don't realize how important this could be. Like, let's just open a new page, and there's the new page, and we could right click and copy that star onto the new page if you wanted to do something like that. You can move things around, then click on that page and put on the star and make that one black. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.